Go back there with the snake and get you a pepper. Yeah?
Simple life. Sit around, chill, relax, eat a meal, watch time go by, and do it again the next day. Got about 6 cats, 5 cats.